Okay, so let's look at ASIC, Airdrop, and anti-fragile. So ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit, ASIC. ASIC. Very good. Specialist hardware that does just one thing only: mining. Mining. Computer hardware built for one purpose only: mining. That's it. Mining. So specialist, specific integrated circuit. Okay, fine. I'm not technical enough to understand what that means fully, but it does one thing: mining. Whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, not quite Ethereum, that's going to proof of stake on its way, or other things. But the idea is that it does one thing only: mining. And that could be part of a mining pool, part of a mining incentive, mining contract, and it seeks that mining reward. It could be part of a mining rig. Depends. But just one thing only, nothing else. Airdrop, however, when someone gives away free coins, such as an exchange, whether it's a competition, promotion, or a launch of something. So there's an exchange, and they've recently listed a new coin on the exchange, for example. And to get momentum, to get attention, to get people's interest, they'll do an airdrop. A little airdrop here, so here's a little parachute. Here's a little thing. There we are. So here it is going down, so airdrop. There's a little coin in a box with a parachute going down, airdrop. And they'll give it to the users, or people who participate in the competition, or people who do the stuff needed for the promotion. Anything. Or it could be people that have certain coins already. Or if they buy, if they buy, for example, 10,000 of these coins, they'll get, say, 1,000 for free. $1,000 for free. So you buy loads, you get a little bit for free. Depends. It's an airdrop. Okay, it depends on the rules. But anti-fragile, however, anti-fragile is interesting. Something gets stronger when exposed to stress, volatility, or shocks. So we don't want to be fragile in life, where we snap, we crack at the first instance of stress or pressure. We don't want to be fragile, nor do we want to be brittle. So brittle can withstand the pressure, can withstand the stress and volatility and shock. But the problem with being brittle is it doesn't make you stronger. Stronger. We want to be anti-fragile. And anti-fragile in the crypto world talks about the more stress, the more tests, the more proof, the more challenged a crypto is, such as Bitcoin, the stronger it gets. Now, why is that? Because it exposes weaknesses in the system, vulnerabilities, places to exploit, whether through competitions or challenges or just in general. And it allows people to make improvements. It helps things get better, the technology improve. And when the technology improves and is better, then it becomes anti-fragile. It takes on challenges and becomes stronger from it. It doesn't take on challenges and crack like fragile or brittle, where it absorbs the damage and that's it. But with enough stress and tension, brittle things can snap. But it becomes stronger. Becomes stronger when challenged, stronger when tested. And that's what we want. We want technology to be stronger when tested. You and I need to be stronger when tested and challenged. That's what we want. We want to be challenged so we can improve as a person, as an entity, as a mindset, with an attitude, and beyond. So anti-fragile, something gets stronger when exposed to stress, volatility, or shocks. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.